Hi everyone, this is Joseph. I just finished the USCIS Open Forum. This is the United States Immigration Services. The directors there were invited by AILA to come and share with the entire immigration lawyer community on all the things that they've changed. So I'm just going to list them off one after another. The first thing, N400 citizenship applications. Although they are not making it premium processing, they are expediting the processing of it, which is better because you don't have to pay and they're just improving their own efficiency. Instead of waiting 10 months, 11 months, 12 months, they're pushing it down to 8 to 6 months so that they can process it so you can get your citizenship and so you can vote. This is a national push to reduce the processing of this by almost half. That is a significant change. The second thing is rolling out new premium processing availability. In this past year alone, being able to go from a tourist visa to an F1 student status and being able to expedite that, get that result within 2 weeks, as opposed to waiting for over a year and a half. Now USCIS rolled out this premium processing and they promised that they're going to roll out additional premium processing for other types of change of status. The third big change is the ability to get a work permit if there's a humanitarian reason. So if you already have your I-140 approved for certain of these categories, you can apply for a work permit. Normally you need to file the adjustment of status with your work permit in order to be able to work. But USCIS understands that under certain scenarios, you might need to just directly need to apply for a work permit. And then for other people, maybe your I-140 is not approved yet, but you're still in valid status or in your grace period, whether you're E3, O1, H1B, L1, you can also still file for a work permit. These small little changes under the humanitarian umbrella will make such a big difference for thousands of people who are here, who are working, who are raising their family. Creating a system allowing them to do that is a game changer. And the next, and in my opinion, one of the biggest changes is allowing beneficiaries and petitioners to be able to do certain things that traditionally was almost impossible to do. For example, changing your address, updating and getting updates about your case shouldn't be so difficult. Trying to change your appointment to get a biometrics. Right now, it's nearly impossible. You have to hire an attorney, you have to beg, and then you can't control the time. Now, with the new system they're creating, it's going to become a lot easier. A lot of people complain about the H1B fraud in the sense of a lot of people are having multiple government agencies, multiple employers petition for them. So one person is using up a lot of the lottery spots. USCIS understands, hears that concern, and is cracking down on that particular issue. And so they understand it, they're creating systems in place, and they've already formally announced it. And the people who get caught doing this, they are actually suffering some major consequences. Last but not least, USCIS, the United States Citizenship Immigration Services, they are hiring. They asked the AILA attorneys to let everybody know that. So here I'm making this YouTube video letting everybody know. If you are interested in working for the Passport Agency, for the Department of State, for United States Immigration Services, or the Department of Labor, if you're interested in working for these government agencies and processing these benefit requests, they are looking for good people. And if you have a good background, you're college educated, you can go through the background check, please, they need the help. And there's a lot of positions to fill. We know we have a lot of staff from our firm that have graduated our program and now go work at USCIS, work at ICE, work at CBP, work at the border. They are good people. They really tried their best to help people. So if you are detail oriented, if you're smart, think about applying with them. They give pretty good benefits. All right, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care. Bye-bye.